Hello children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is triplets. Our topic is triplets. Occasionally, composer writing in simple time wishes to divide the beat into parts. He uses the triplet to achieve this. A triplet is a group of 3 notes performed in time of 2 of the same value. The triplet is shown by figure 3. See the example below. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.